Hi there, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. I hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to have a look at another blues little tip trick, but it's more about the right hand. This is a sort of picking thing, pinching it's called, that we do on the right hand. So it's all about comping on the right hand. So let's have a look. You're using your thumb and your first finger, and we'll just work with that for now. So the chords I'm doing, I'm just going to work on a normal E chord. So just a normal E chord. Okay, and I'm going to palm mute. So I'm going to put the ridge of my palm there, like damp across the strings. So you're still hearing the notes, but it's muted. It's not like that, it's sort of damp. No, I'm holding my E and I'm just plucking the bass E and then the D string. That is it, okay? That is all you've really got to do. And if you want, you can extend it so I pluck the E, and then when I do the D, I follow through the rest of the strings. And then I'll just go through like a 12-bar blues. So I'll go E, A, and then B7 chords, doing that pattern. To explain a little bit, when I go to the A chord and when the B7 chord, I'm not plucking the E anymore, I'm plucking the A string. So this is on the A now, I'm going to plug the A string, but then I'm still going to do the D and the rest of the strings. So the E would be this. So that's A there. And when I do the B7, I'm still plucking the A because I've got my B root note, and then the fourth string down. A, and then E. Okay, there you go. So that's the sort of most basic. I said it was pinching at the beginning. It's not pinching at all. Pinching is something different, which I'll cover in the next video. This is just a cool little trick you can play. All right, take care.